Hello friends, today I'm back with another South Indian seafood curry for you. We are going to make masala squid. Now squid in Tamil and Malayalam is known as kanva, and in Hindi I think it's known as samudra feni, whereas in Maharashtra Konkan regions they call it makul. Now this is a delicacy mostly popular among the coastal areas. This is a very good fish and it cooks very easily. So today's recipe is only coconut based gravy. It calls for very few ingredients. You don't add even onion and tomato, yet it is so delicious. You can enjoy the dry version with rotis, and the gravy version pairs very well with rice. So shall we proceed to make this curry?
Here's a delicious masala squid. Very easy to prepare and hardly takes any time. We have taken 500 grams of squid and little turmeric and salt. We are going to marinate first. Mix everything together in a bowl. Rub the pieces very nicely so that they are all coated with turmeric and salt. Now this we are going to set aside for at least 1 hour. You can cover it well and refrigerate it. And then we have taken quarter cup of grated coconut, 1 small piece of ginger, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. This is for grinding. And then we have garam masala, half teaspoon, turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon, red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon. You can add according to your taste. Salt as needed. Oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons. And for tempering we have mustard seeds, half teaspoon, red chillies 2 and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Let's proceed to make the curry. First we are going to grind the masala. Cut the ginger into small pieces, garlic, cumin seeds and the coconut. Put them into the mixie and add little water for grinding. Grind it to a coarse paste like how we do the coconut chutney. So now the paste is ready. Now let's proceed to cook. First we are going to boil the squid. So take 1 cup of water in a pan and add the marinated squid. Cover it with a lid and boil for about 5 minutes. This will remove all the smell from them. The squid is very tender. It will not take much time to cook. Now in another pan add the oil. And add the tempering ingredients, mustard seeds and the red chillies first. When they start to crackle, add the curry leaves. Now we are going to add the ground masala paste. Stir it well and add the spices and salt. Here goes the turmeric powder and then the red chilli powder, followed by garam masala and salt to taste. It's a very simple curry, not too many ingredients go into it. Stir everything well till all the spices are mixed. Now we are going to cook it on low flame until the oil separates. Make sure the flame is quite low, otherwise the masala will get burnt. This is the oil coming out also from the coconut. Now add the squid pieces to it. Since the squid is already cooked, It will take just 5 to 6 minutes. Now we are going to saute this and cook it on low flame first for 2 minutes and then add water for the gravy. Just cover it, stirring intermittently till the masala is dry and it is coated well on the squid pieces. At this stage, once the masala is dried up, we are going to add water for the gravy. One cup of water. I've put it in the mixie as there is a lot of masala stuck to it. Now if you want to have the gravy version, add 1 cup. If you want to serve it dry, then add only quarter cup of water and simmer it for a minute. Now cover the lid. Simmer until you get the desired consistency of the gravy. Curry is nearly done. Check for the salt and add if it is required. It's a very simple curry and hardly took any time to prepare. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves. Now these are frozen coriander leaves. I'm sharing the link in the description box how to freeze them. They are really very handy, especially in the monsoon when we don't get the greens. Check it out. And here the squid masala is ready for you. This curry will be served with rice. You can enjoy the dry version with rotis. Ready to be served. So friends, I hope you like this curry. Give it a try. It's really delicious. It's a treat for seafood lovers. And hope you have subscribed to the channel. If not, please do so and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Here are some more videos. In case you have missed watching them, you can check them out now. Thank you, dear friends, for watching. Have a nice day.